Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into planning for travel. Whether you're looking to plan a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome common travel planning challenges and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on planning for travel. Understanding planning for travel is crucial for having a smooth and enjoyable trip. Many people struggle with organizing their itinerary, packing efficiently, and managing travel logistics. For instance, studies show that travelers who plan ahead are more likely to have a stress-free experience and make the most of their trip. By focusing on travel planning, you can ensure a well-organized, enjoyable, and memorable journey. Travel planning isn't just about booking flights and accommodations. It's about creating a comprehensive plan that covers all aspects of your trip. For example, a friend of mine used to travel without much planning and often faced issues like missed flights and forgotten essentials. After learning proper travel planning techniques, they were able to enjoy more relaxed and organized trips, making the most of their travel experiences. 8 essential tips for planning for travel. Tip 1. Set your travel goals. This tip helps you define what you want to achieve with your trip. For example, decide whether your goal is relaxation, adventure, cultural exploration, or a mix of different experiences. Clear goals provide direction and help you prioritize activities. Tip 2. Research your destination. Implementing this will ensure you are well prepared for your trip. It's particularly useful for understanding the local culture, attractions, and travel requirements. For instance, gather information on must-see sites, local customs, and any necessary travel documents or vaccinations. Tip 3. Create a travel itinerary. Here's why this is important for organizing your activities and maximizing your time. Consider how it can help you plan your days effectively. For example, outline a daily schedule with key activities, sightseeing spots, and relaxation time. Tip 4. Budget for your trip. This approach helps you manage your finances effectively. By using this strategy, you can allocate funds for different aspects of the trip, such as transportation, accommodation, food, and activities. Create a detailed budget and track your expenses to stay within limits. Tip 5. Book in advance. By applying this, you can secure the best deals and ensure availability. Think of it as a way to avoid last-minute stress and higher prices. For example, book your flights, accommodations, and any activities or tours well in advance. Tip 6. Pack smart. This tip will assist you in packing efficiently and ensuring you have everything you need. An example of this could be making a packing list based on your destination's weather and planned activities. Pack versatile clothing and essential items to avoid overpacking. Tip 7. Prepare for emergencies. It's crucial for handling unexpected situations during your trip. This method can help you stay safe and prepared. For example, carry a first aid kit, know emergency contact numbers, and have a backup plan for important documents and funds. Tip 8. Stay organized during your trip. Incorporating this will help you maintain order and reduce stress. This technique is great for keeping track of your itinerary, documents, and expenses. Use travel apps and organizers to stay on top of your plans and make the most of your trip. Section 3. overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include flight delays, lost luggage, and language barriers. For example, a delayed flight can disrupt your entire itinerary. To tackle these, consider having flexible plans and knowing your rights as a traveler. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your travel goals more effectively. Flight delays often require quick adjustments to your plans. To combat this, keep essential items in your carry-on and know alternative transportation options. Lost luggage can be stressful. Use luggage tags and keep a list of packed items to make claims easier. Language barriers can be challenging. Learn basic phrases in the local language and use translation apps to communicate effectively. Quick actionable cheat sheet: planning for travel. 1. Set your travel goals. Define the purpose of your trip. 2. Research your destination. Gather information on attractions, culture, and requirements. 3. Create a travel itinerary. Plan your daily activities and schedule. 4. Budget for your trip. Allocate funds and track expenses. 5. Book in advance. Secure flights, accommodations, and activities early. 6. Pack smart. Make a packing list and pack versatile clothing. 7. Prepare for emergencies. Carry a first aid kit and have backup plans. 8. Stay organized during your trip. Use travel apps and organizers. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that planning for travel is all about creating a comprehensive plan that covers all aspects of your trip, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Incorporate these tips into your travel planning process to see real improvements in your travel efficiency and enjoyment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.